read me every day.
Hello, I'm a pencil. I love to draw and write.
Hi, I'm a pen. I love to write. I'm an eraser. I make mistakes go away. I'm a marker. I color and highlight. We are crayons. We make drawings bright. I'm a paintbrush. I paint with joy. I'm a palette full of colors for fun. I'm scissors, snip, snip, cut with care. I'm a ruler, I measure straight lines. I'm a compass, I make circles round. I'm triangle scale, I help in geometry. I am a calculator, I love numbers. I'm a computer, I help you learn. I'm your school bag, carry me along. I'm a bottle, drink water every day. I'm a lunchbox, I keep food safe. I'm a notebook, write your lessons in me. I'm a diary, write your secrets inside me. I'm a paper clip, I hold papers tight. I'm a sharpener, I keep pencils sharp. I'm glue, I stick things together. I'm paper, draw and write on me. I'm chart paper, use me for projects. I'm a blackboard, I help teachers teach.